In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Planner 2025. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft 365 account. This is essential as Microsoft Planner is part of the suite of tools that come with your Microsoft 365 subscription. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the Planner app. You can find it by clicking on the Apps menu, typically represented by a grid icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now that you're in Planner, let's set up a new plan. You'll want to give it a name that easily identifies the purpose or project of the plan. It's good practice to make it clear and concise for everyone using it. If you already have a Microsoft 365 group or team you'd like this plan to be associated with, you can link it right then. This is useful for teams working collaboratively on shared objectives. If you're starting from scratch, you may want to either dive into creating your own setup or use one of the existing templates provided by Planner. Templates can save you time and offer a structured starting point. Once your plan is ready, begin organizing it by using buckets. Buckets help you divide the work into logical categories or phases, making it easier to manage and track progress. Within these buckets, you'll want to add individual tasks. Ensure each task has clear details, such as a name, due date, and importantly, the team members assigned to it. Assigning specific people to tasks enhances accountability and clarity on who is responsible for what. It's also helpful to establish start and due dates for these tasks. This helps manage deadlines and keeps everything aligned and on track. As tasks move along, keeping track of their status is vital. Whether a task is not started, in progress, or completed, updating its status allows you and your team to visualize progress. Using the charts feature, you can easily see this progress within buckets and across your entire plan, offering a visual snapshot of where things stand. Documents and relevant files can be attached directly to tasks, ensuring that everything needed for completion is within reach. Moreover, labeling tasks to categorize them based on priority or other criteria can further streamline task management. If you need to filter and view tasks based on certain criteria, like due dates or responsible individuals, Planner makes it easy. These filtered views can simplify workload distribution. Viewing tasks on a calendar can greatly aid in understanding deadlines and schedules, providing a visual representation that's easy to interpret. Additionally, integrating your plan with your Outlook calendar will improve task coordination and ensure important dates aren't overlooked. Finally, Planner is designed for team collaboration, allowing members to work together seamlessly. With a built-in chat feature, team discussions can happen within context, keeping everyone on the same page. This tool not only enhances efficiency, but also fosters teamwork, making project management a more streamlined process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy exploring the new Microsoft Planner 2025.